ஹாப்பி லேண்ட்மார்க் பர்த்டே கணேஷ்ஜி. கடவுள் நிறைய ஆசீர்வாதங்கள் எங்கள் சைட்லேருந்து. கடவுள் நல்ல நல்ல உடம்பும் நல்ல ஃபேமிலியும் பீஸ்ஃபுல் லைஃப்பும் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கணும். நிறைய ட்ரையல்ஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரிபுலேஷன்ஸ் இத்தனை வருஷங்களில் யூ அச்சீவ் ஸோ மெனி திங்ஸ். ரெண்டு சைட்லேயும் அப்பா அம்மா பார்த்துட்டு ரெண்டு சைட்லேயும் உறவுக்காரர்களை பார்த்துட்டு யூ டன் ஸோ மெனி திங்ஸ். யூ ஆர் அ ப்ரவுட் ஃபாதர் ஆஃப் டு பி டாக்டர் அண்ட் டு பி லாயர். ஒரு பியூரோக்ராட் ஒய்ஃபு, ஒரு ப்ரைவேட் செக்டரில் வருது. வாட் எல்ஸ் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் ஃபார். கடவுள் நீண்ட ஆயுளை கொடுக்கணும். நல்ல மனசை கொடுத்துருக்கார். அதே மாதிரி கண்டினியூ பண்ணோம். மெனி மெனி ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த டே. பாய்.
Hello Ganesh, many happy returns of your landmark birthday. கடவுள் ஆசீர்வதிக்கணும். நல்ல உடம்பு நல்லபடியாக இருக்கணும். இதே மாதிரியே எங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கணும். கோகோவையும் பார்த்துக்கணும். கோகோ நம்ம பார்த்து நியூ அடிஷன் ஃபேமிலியில். மெனி ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த டே ஒன்ஸ் அகேன்.
ஹலோ கணேஷ், ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. ஆசீர்வாதம். மைல்ஸ்டோன் பர்த்டே. அமோகமாக இருக்கணும், சந்தோஷமாக சௌக்கியமாக ஹெல்த்தியாக இருக்கணும். ஆசீர்வாதம்.
When I think of Ganesh, what immediately comes to my mind is a caring son, an accommodating husband, and a loving father. A caring son because he takes care of his parents. We recently witnessed the grand Sadabhishekam he conducted for his parents. An accommodating husband because we know he has accommodated his own career for Hemos postings, etc. At the same time, taking care that his career is taking care very well. He is successful in his own career, but he has at the same time he accommodated for Hemos postings requirements. Loving father because he has fulfilled the educational aspirations of his children. Now Ganesh is 50 today, and we are very happy. He is a very hospitable person as well. I have stayed in his house for about 2 weeks in Bangalore sometime back, and we stayed together in London. Bhaskar was also for a few days. So I wish Ganesh all the best in life, good health, happiness, and everything he wants. Many happy returns of the day, Ganesh. God bless you. Bye.
Hello Ganesh, happy birthday on your 50th birthday. God bless you with health, peace and happiness, and let you fulfill all your wishes and a very bright future ahead. We are celebrating the birthday along with your daughters and Nema and other relatives. We will be missing you. Let us all live together through Zoom. Happy birthday once again.
Ganesh, wishing you very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. This is a landmark birthday for you, 50th one. All of my Ashirvadams to you on this day, and let's hope to meet up and then celebrate it in a later date as soon as the corona pandemic comes under control. Till then, all Ashirvadams, enjoy your day at home. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hello Ganesh, many happy returns of the day. 50வது வயசுக்கு எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். அமோகமாக குழந்தைகளோட நன்னா இருக்கணும். ஏமாக்கும் ஆசீர்வாதங்கள்.
Happy birthday Ganesh. Many happy returns of the day. எல்லாரும் குடும்பத்தோட க்ஷேமமாக சௌக்கியமாக இருக்கணும். பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ் ஃப்ரம் அவர் சைட்.
Many happy returns of the day, Atimber. Happy 50th birthday.
Oh, 50th birthday. Wow. இப்போ மாதிரி இருக்கு. We used to, we came once to your office, saw you in vibhuti and half sweater. Those days I cannot forget. And then we used to come so many times to your Mayur house, invited, uninvited, we didn't care, because on the way we had to drink that sugarcane juice which the buffaloes used to run by buffaloes in that pontoon bridge. So that was the main reason. Great fun those days. Life was very simple, but good memories. 50 years now for Ganesh. All the best. Many more happy returns of the day. Have a long and nice, healthy life. Bye.
Bye.
Hello Ganesh, happy 50th birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have fun.
Hello Ganesh Timber, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Ganesh Peripa, happy 50th birthday. Have a great day and an amazing year ahead. Bye.
Hello Ganesh Peripa, happy 50th birthday, golden anniversary. Have fun. Bye.
Hello Atimbe, wishing you a very happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. Swasth raho, mast raho.
Hi Ganesh, wish you a very happy birthday, happy 50th. So first of all, congratulations on completing the half century, and we pray to God that you should complete the century and maybe even go for a double century as well. Okay, so you have always come across as a very helpful and caring person, and I wish that you should continue this trait throughout. You've also been a very jovial person who likes to have a lot of fun in life. So continue these good traits. It is very pleasant, and we will be, of course, meeting you on the special day and have lots of celebrations. And we all pray to God collectively that you should have a wonderful, peaceful, healthy, and happy life ahead. Guys, come on!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ganesh. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ganesh Timber. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday, Atimirji. Happy 50th birthday. It's a milestone year. Hope you have a wonderful day. You are an inspiration to all of us to take life as it is and not overcomplicate it, to enjoy the life to the best. Thank you for teaching us that. It just feels like only now, 98, but wow, it's so many years since we know you, and we love your company. Hope you all can come here soon, and we all can have a good time. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Atimber. You have a very youthful spirit, so keep it ablaze, and wishing you a happy birthday and a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Ganesh Timber, and 50. Wow, it doesn't seem like that. Keep going on and have wonderful years ahead. Thank you.
Shambhavi, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! She's smiling.
Happy birthday once again. Have a wonderful time.
Bye!
Hello Ganesh Timber, wish you a very happy birthday and wish you more and more and more milestones to complete, golden, platinum, everything, diamond, everything. Have a very good day and an excellent year ahead.
Happy birthday, Peripa.
Happy 50th birthday, Atimber. Many best wishes. We will soon visit Delhi to have a grand celebration. Please share photographs and videos with us. And have a great day. Happy 50th birthday once again. See you soon. See you all soon.
Hey, happy 50th birthday. It's never too late to be what you want to be. You live younger and live longer.
Happy 50th birthday, Timberji. May you live the rest of the 50 years as you did, with full fun, enthusiasm and great attitude in your next 50 years.
And to add up, age is just a number. You are not 50, you are just a teenager with 32 years of experience and 18 years of smartness.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th.
Enjoy the day.
Enjoy.
Hello, Peripa. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ganesh Atimber. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. My fondest memories of a new year is the 2016-17 celebration that we had in BB11P, when you had arranged a lot of games and we had so much fun. So looking forward to more such celebrations and get-togethers. Have a fabulous birthday, and God bless you and everyone in the family. Take care. Have a nice day.
Wish you a very happy and fun birthday, Ganesh Atimber. You're as young as you feel.
Cherish the day. It is a very special birthday, so you gotta do at least one crazy thing.
And make it memorable.
Bye.
Have a happy birthday.